Chad was already fussing about $14, y'all. We was on the airplane. Fontainebleau. It's spelled Fontaine.
But I don't think it's a resort. I think it's a hotel.
It's a resort.
That's a damn hotel. Damn resort.
Fontainebleau, however you said, that's where we're staying. So we're headed there now. It's beautiful. The crazy thing is, before we got here, it called for rain, like thunderstorms, for all the days that we were going to stay. But we were patient. We waited. It cleared up. Already fussing about $14, y'all. We was on the airplane and he spent $14 in snacks. Now, mind you, he was asleep when the little flight attendant came by. I was like, no, we're good, because I was just sure he didn't want to use, you know, his credit card on the airplane. Chad's very funny about that. Well, he woke up.
14. You made that sound like I bought $14 worth of snacks. That ain't what happened.
He didn't, but I mean, I'm sure they got what I was saying.
Nah, they ain't getting you.
We got 2 bags of chips.
2 bags of chips and some M&M's. That shit was $14.
Yeah.
Continue on to Griffin Road.
It's there.
Dang!
He'll be alright. He'll survive. So that's why he's saying we're not eating, because we spent $14 on the airplane.
They gave us an upgrade on the rental car, so I look at it like
they did.
a watch.
They did. They put us in a white Dodge Charger. It's really nice.
Originally, they gave us a damn Ford Fusion.
Yeah, they tried to put us in a Fusion. I said,
ain't nothing wrong with a Fusion, but that lady could see in my eyes. I wasn't trying to ride with that Fusion.
Yeah, can't skirt through the streets of Miami in a Fusion. I mean, you could, but you know. All right, let me give you a little bit of the scenery. I'm so mad about that. Like, I'm really mad. We are staying at the Fontainebleau. I think I either showed y'all or told y'all that on the way here, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a tour of the room. I sprayed everything down with Lysol. A little OOTD of the day first. I have on a tank from H&M, shorts are H&M, and then my jellies are from Tory Burch, the ones I showed y'all in the last vlog. I'm not sure if y'all saw that vlog or not. They're the tortoise ones and I love them so much. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this tour so I can show you guys around. This is a junior suite ocean view room. All right, let's start from the beginning. Start us here at the front door, and you have the bathroom to the left. I'm not gonna go in here because I have my shoes on, but just give you guys a quick overview of the bathroom. And The shower is behind this door, so I don't want to go in there. I don't want to go in there with my shoes on that I've been traveling in. So let me step out of my shoes really quick. Hold on. And then here is the shower. Nice and spacious. Really pretty bathroom. And then this is the front door area. Get my shoes back on. Okay, so this is the main room. And you have the bed here. And then this is the mirror I was standing in front of earlier. Pretty picture here. And then you have your bar area, which we probably won't be utilizing. We never utilize the bar. I should crack something open, give Travis a heart attack. Is the cab salve? I should crack that open. But this is the room. You have some good little snacks up here. And then you have your fridge. And I'm not sure what's in here. I sprayed this down too, guys. This is what is this? Equipment. Okay, some speakers. And then a safe. And then this is the little kitchenette area. You have your microwave, your sink, stove, and I don't know what that is at the bottom. We have the little desk area here. And then we have your seating area here. A little ottoman, and then you have a chair here. And this is from this view. Really pretty. Ouch. Okay, now let's go outside. Look at that, guy. It's so pretty. Okay. Come on, door. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this view, you guys. The views. Oh my gosh. Stunning. Stunning. And it feels so good out here, you guys. It's a little sticky, but it feels pretty good. Oh, I cannot wait to come out here in the morning. It is gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, so this is our balcony area here. Table and 2 chairs, and there's a chair behind me. And then back to the room. This is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that room tour. It's nice in here. I'm excited. We're in Miami, and I cannot wait to eat because I'm starving. Travis is headed back up to the room. He went down to the lobby. We're gonna go ahead and find us something to eat and then just hang out. I think it's like 7 here, 7-ish in the evening. So we're going to find something to eat and just chill tonight, and then tomorrow we will probably do some brunch or something like that. But yeah, I'm so excited. If you're liking the vlog so far, give it a thumbs up. I'll pick back up with you guys later on tonight. Okay guys, Travis is back. He got us some drinks for the weekend. Ace of Spades, Douce, and then some Rosé Moet. We are probably going to save that one for tomorrow, but I'm gonna put it on some ice tomorrow, let it get real chill. We're gonna go get something to eat. We thugging it, y'all. We ain't got no champagne flutes tonight, but we're gonna get some tomorrow.
A lot of people be fronting on Moet.
Yeah.
We still drink Moet.
Oh yeah, we do. We're gonna drink it
since they come with
out of this fancy glass. Look how fancy this is.
Oh shit! I knew that shit. You can't put that in there. I'm nervous.
It scared. It scared you?
That's why me and married. Yeah, we sitting in a hotel room drinking cognac and champagne. Yeah. That's our drink of choice for our vacation. We Moet out of this now coffee cup.
You don't have no flute, so gotta drink out the water cup.
They actually got some glasses in here, but I don't want to drink.
Yeah, I'm not drinking out. You guys, y'all know how I am. I cannot drink out of. I don't trust it. It's a nice room and everything, but I can't do it. Toast to this
dope
Miami vacay.
For sure.
Y'all look at this. Look at this view. To our dinner reservations, we're running late, so hopefully, yeah.
They ain't gonna let us in. We're
Late. So hopefully we can sit. We'll see. I'll let you guys know. Yes. What was I gonna say? My phone is on red, so I put it on battery saver, so hopefully it doesn't die. And what was I gonna say?
You got a charger? iPhone?
Oh, good. We're good. I'm gonna charge my phone. We're in the Uber because we didn't want to drive and try to find parking, and we like really rushed to get ready. So yeah, we're headed there now. I'll let you guys know where we're going when we get there, if we get to sit down. Okay. So beautiful. This weather here has been amazing. So beautiful. Guys, day 3 of our trip here in Miami, and we are headed out for breakfast. I'm so hungry. I just put my bathing suit on and my cover up and some denim shorts because we're going straight to the pool. after we eat. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. I don't have to come back up here and change. But yeah, I love this cover up. This is from Cupshe. I don't know if you guys have heard of them before. I think it's only online. And then my bathing suit is Target. It's really cute. It ties up like crisscross in the back. And then my shorts are also, are these Target? I don't know if these are Target or H&M. And then of course my Marc Jacobs tote bag, which this is a great bag, you guys, for the beach or the pool, because you can fit all your stuff in there. I have my sunscreen in here, my lip balm. I'll show you guys everything I put in here. And then these are some, I don't know if you can see them, Miami flip-flops, because yesterday we stopped in the store and my feet were hurting so bad with the slides that I brought. So I was like, no, I'm not wearing these to the pool. We went to the beach yesterday and I was like, no, I cannot go on with my life. So I got these comfortable flip-flops to wear. But yeah, we're getting ready to go find us something to eat. But yeah, so I'm gonna take some Motrin too, because I'm getting a little headache. But yeah, I just wanted to pop on here and show you guys a little bit of the OOTD for the day. Real simple, because we're gonna spend most of the day at the pool. I'll pop back on later on with y'all today and check in. Yeah, again, day 3. Okay, let's go. To say the Ace of Spades is pretty good. Pretty good. It's so ghetto, guys, but we don't have any fleets. Goes down the same way, right? It's really good. You like it?
Love it.
Too. This water is just beautiful.
Myanmar, right? You know what I'm talking about? Okay guys, we are all dressed and ready. We are going to Prime 112 for dinner tonight. Travis, he looks so fly, so good. I tried to take a shower and freshen up a little bit.
Yeah, Travis has been here how many times? Once, twice?
About 3-4 times.
Okay, so he's put me on, so we'll see how it is. Normally his recommendations are superb. We're just waiting on the Uber and then we are heading out, kind of in the cut in our own little corner. Yeah, so we will probably try to vlog some while I'm in there. I don't know the atmosphere and all that, but off to dinner.